Hey everybody. Okay, so here's my dog Apollo. He's been sitting here with me while I'm doing my work. I know this is not a perfect system and that some of you are having trouble. I will tell you that Pearson Realize's website is bogged down. So you can go into your classroom page. This looks is 6 hours, and you can get onto the document that says day 2 printable right here, and that's going to be the text that you use to fill out your questions. Now remember, the 7th grade continuous learning, this is just a copy, you can only view it. This is the same copy that you have on the website. Okay, so this is where you go every day to do everything in all of your classes. Okay, so you're going to go to this first, either on the website, the link that was emailed to you, or you can get into it on this. And you're going to click on this, and you're going to see what you can do every day. So today's day 2. And sorry, it's loading slowly. Today is day 2. Right here. No. That is, yeah, day 2 right here. So here you go. Now, I get that this is not convenient, and so Strava and I are going to do something different. Actually, next week, I'm just going to make this an assignment on Classroom. So you can just click on Classroom instead of making a copy and all that stuff. You're just going to click in Classroom next week, and that we're going to make this a lot easier for you guys, because I agree that it's a little bit frustrating, and it's frustrating on our end too. I just want to make it as easy as possible for you guys. So that's what I'm doing. Now, I will say, in our classroom, I've posted links to your Zoom meetings tomorrow. And I do realize, I apologize, that I did not make times on the list. So this is going to be 6 hours. Their meeting's at 11 a.m. Now, yours will be different. It's on your classroom screen. They start at 9:30. So first hours is going to be 9:30. Second hours is going to be 10 o'clock. Third hours is going to be at 10:30, and third hours is at 10, fourth hours is at 10:30, and sixth hours is at 11. They're 30-minute increments. When you get on, you'll be muted. I'm going to try to have Mrs. Blake on with everybody, and remember that it's being recorded. I can kick you off of the meeting. Okay, so if you're doing things and trying to distract people, just like in class, I'll boot you from the meeting. So please understand that, yes, it's exciting. We can all see each other. I'm super excited. But I also need to have the floor for a little bit so people are paying attention. And then I'm going to let you talk. We're going to do that tomorrow. So I won't launch the meeting until 11 o'clock, and then you can get on. So if it says that I haven't started the meeting, wait a little bit and then get on. The other things I wanted to share, if you haven't done the spring break, the spring break survey, do that please, because I want to connect with you guys, and I like reading those things. I've already read them, and I've got some ideas from what you've said, and we can address some things, your concerns and things like that. Please make sure you have Zoom downloaded. If you don't know how to do that, just Google how to download Zoom on whatever device you're on. It's not hard, just you need to go to the website if you're on a computer. It's an app if you have a phone or a tablet. Let's see what else. Let me scroll through here. Oh, for today, Pearson Realize is overwhelmed. So this day 2 printable, this is where you find your information to fill out your worksheet for today. You're going to go into that continuous learning document. You're going to copy and paste today, and you're going to put it in a doc. That will change next week. It will be so much easier. You'll just go to our page and you'll click on it and you'll fill it out there. But this week, that's what you're doing. Also, there is a question about renewable and non-renewable resources that's not in the reading. You can look that up. If you can access the book through Pearson, it's in a different chapter, or you can research it. Remember, this is all extra credit, okay? So your grades are extra credit. I made this one worth 10 points and the monster movie poster worth 10 points, but I'll probably back that off because some of you are going to end up with like 125% in my class. If I don't, I'll probably make each assignment worth 3 points, but even with that, and if you have a B in my class or a C in my class and you want an A, this is an easy way to get an A in every class you have. So please take advantage of this, okay? So from me and Apollo.
Say hi, Apollo. Say hi.
He's relaxing. He got a bath yesterday, so he's kind of mad at me, but I'll see you tomorrow, and miss you guys still, and keep on keeping on. We'll figure this out. All right, bye.